Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Forms and either create a new form or open an existing one. Next, add a new question and change the question type to multiple choice grid. Now enter your main question at the top. In the rows section, add the statements or questions you want respondents to rate. Then move to the columns section and enter your Likert scale options such as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. Once you've added all options and statements, enable the setting that requires a response in each row if needed. This ensures users answer every statement before submitting the form. After setting everything up, click on Publish at the top right corner and confirm by clicking Publish again. You can also preview the form to see how it will appear to respondents. Users can then select one option for each row and submit their responses directly through the form. So that's basically how you can make a Likert scale in Google Forms. That's it for this video. Thanks!